Hi, my name is Trini Rodriguez. In this video, I will be presenting the experience of traveling to Bosques de Pandora. Let's get started. Welcome to my blog. Let's see what activities we can do in Bosques de Pandora. What to do? At Bosques de Pandora, you'll be able to go on hikes through the forest, go caving to explore caves and caverns, and even rappel down el corazón del mundo. At the night, you can set up camp and live through an unforgettable experience for sure. You can do rappel down el corazón del mundo, hike through the forest, caving, go caving to explore caves and caverns. I create this section of my blog so you can know what things you can do there. That was Bosques de Pandora. Thank you for staying until the end of the video. See you later.